Today we are going to make some craft, and today I'm going to do some syrup that I have never made before. Hi guys, my name is Aistis from Miami to the world. Welcome to my channel. We are going to make wheatgrass sugar syrup. We just make simple syrup and I just made video. You can find the link here. So this is a basic and essential syrup, and now I'm showing you how to infuse, or let's say flavor the syrup with some other herbs or fruits or something else. I will show you in my next videos, but today it's wheatgrass, and honestly it's the first time I'm making wheatgrass syrup. I always was passing it in Whole Foods and always was having this idea, I need to try to make a syrup with this. I need to try to make syrup with this, but never did that. So now let's do it. I believe that it should infuse like a tea. So I'm cutting it into pieces, putting straight into my pot. It's like 1 ounce of wheatgrass. I'll be muddling it as well. And now is everything very simple, like with a simple syrup. We are going to put 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. And now we are going to turn the heat on and boil everything, and then we will leave it for some time. Okay, it's almost boiling, so I turn the heat off, and our first stage of wheatgrass syrup is done. Sugar is dissolved, color is getting greeny. I hope it will stay, we will see, because as I mentioned, this is my first time doing it. Now I'm putting the lid on and I'm leaving it as a tea to get everything as it can from a wheatgrass. So I'll leave it for, I think, 4 hours, 4 or 6 hours, because I don't know, I will check periodically and I'll show you the result in a couple of hours. 24 hours passed and I'm ready to check my wheatgrass infused sugar syrup. Here we go. Looks like wheatgrass is swimming in sugar syrup. Let's taste it. I tasted it before going to sleep, but as most stuff I decided to leave it for 24 hours to get more infusion, to get more taste, more aroma. Let's taste it now. It smells like green tea actually. Very light taste. It tastes even like honey. Lightly infused, not very intensive taste. I'm really wondering how it reveals itself in the cocktail, because sometimes it might happen that it will reveal and it will be really bright in a cocktail, and sometimes it might happen that it will fail and in a cocktail you won't feel any difference if you're using wheatgrass infused sugar syrup or just regular sugar syrup. So we will see that in the future. I'll make videos using this syrup definitely, so please guys subscribe my channel so you won't miss them and you will be able to see how you could work with this syrup. Now we have to strain it like everything else. At first I will strain it just with a fine strainer. We'll see if I need coffee filter or not. wheatgrass. I don't know what we could do with this thing. Maybe some garnish. Maybe I will try to dry it and use it as a garnish maybe. I'll show you if I succeed. Now let's check if we need fine strain or not. No, it looks good. Aroma is more intense than a taste. It's good. I won't use coffee filter. I don't think I need it. So guys, our wheatgrass syrup is ready. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got inspired. So please smash subscribe button if you like this video. If you don't like this video, so give me a chance. Smash it anyways and give me a chance to make better videos, more informative and more fun videos for you. Like this video, comment down below if you have any other experience on how to make wheatgrass syrup or how successful was you trying to make it as I showed you. And I'm always happy to share my experience with you, and don't forget to put love, passion and energy in everything you do, and I'll see you in next video.